And so it comes down to this: the run for home, the fight for glory, or perhaps even redemption. It's go for it and then go home. It's the decider. This year has been remarkable in so many ways. Perfectly organised by the Saudi Automobile and Motorcycle Federation. We thank them for their work. And this is what lays ahead on the final day. The Coulisses stage, 2 short liaisons with a 109-kilometre racing special bang in the middle of it all. We're looking for champions. It's quite a technical day, so be careful out there. This is the Jeddah Rally. Let's go racing. Well, the riders on the bikes and quads at a full rally raid test here, and it's been a busy season. And despite the upcoming Dakar Rally, for many this day is their most important mission. This time is their time. Well, the quads class was the closest competition of all coming into this rally. Al Noumesi knew nothing less than victory would do as he trailed Al Taurus by just 5 points in the championship. He did everything he could. Third on the final stage of this year brings him runner-up spot. Al Taurus was a shadow boxer today, second on the stage, winning the mixed bike class, but more importantly, securing the season's quad title in brilliant style. Hugely effective. An all-terrain man on an all-terrain vehicle. We finished Rally Jeddah, Saudi champions, in first place. I beat my record. I can't believe it. It's wonderful, he says. Well, the best of the two-wheelers here in Jeddah, Mohammed Al Hamdan. He went all in today to take the stage win and finish as top biker, second overall, behind the number 100 quad. He's been a fighter, and we thank him. Well, sometimes second place can be a very hard place to be indeed. Just ask Michel Al-Ghanim. He came to Jeddah with a narrow hope of snatching the title, and he saw it disappear into the sand and stones of this great race. He will, of course, feel bitter, but with time, he can look back sweetly. After all, he's produced some amazing performances, which we have loved watching. He will, of course, be back for more, thank heaven. There can only be one winner, and this season's bike champion is Elhab Al-Hakim. This final stage of the Jeddah Rally was all about insurance. He needed to make sure nothing silly happened. He came here with a slim championship lead over Al-Ghanim of just 7 points, and he knew nothing less than victory would do. And he did it. Not only top bike in Jeddah, but also the entire Saudi Toyota Championship, securing the title in the final round. A brilliant job, proving that sometimes smooth is best. And this is how they stacked up here in Jeddah. With so many car classes to be decided here in the wind of the desert, you could say it was a very blustery tea party. T1, T2, Ts 3, 4 and 5. That's a lot of tea. But who would be saying cheers at the end of the day? Well, dropping a power advantage to contest T4 was a risk for Yassir Saidan. But he knew it was worth it. This vehicle he'll be taking to Dakar. He must surely be a class favourite for January. Fifth in the Rally GC, a remarkable performance. He beat many more powerful machines here in Jeddah. Heroic it certainly was. Rising fast through this rally, we knew that Cavigliasso had pace. Here in Jeddah, he showed his determination and commitment. just 29 seconds from the podium on this great rally. Eyes drawn to the Argentine now, and surely in the future as well. Daniel Kiel mentioned some minor important setup issues. They'll be changing those cars, carrying them over to the Dakar, but she combines a huge driving talent with navigational skills of Stéphane Duplay. It's a great pairing. They'll be heading to the Dakar with pride and purpose. Third today despite the issues, and a rally podium as a reward.
I slow down to change the cap, so we have less problem in the navigation. Rocks, very steady, but you slow on the slow part, fast in the fast part, it's okay. Yeah, happy.
And the best T3 performance here in Jeddah belonged to Salah Al Saif. The Dark Horse Racing team did a fantastic job of mastering a determined roster of high-quality class opponents. Fifth on the stage. Runner-up for the Jeddah Rally in the car class overall. He, our T3 season champion. This has been an amazing team effort in every way. Bravo. And our car's champion is, of course, Yasser Al-Rajhi. He wins the Jeddah Rally and takes the Saudi Toyota Championship for the third consecutive time. A star performance throughout, and the final stage was no different. An emphatic victory in all respects. A team to watch for the upcoming Dakar, of course. A newly developed car, but the same brilliant pairing of Al-Rajhi and Timo Gottschalk. They're ready.
It's good. We are sure it's very happy. Now we win the Saudi Championship. We win Rally Jeddah. We check our cars. Our car is fantastic. Everything going good with us. I am very happy here, and I signed contract for 20 next year.
A happy man. He'll be back to defend the title. Good news indeed. And this is how the cars stacked up here in Jeddah. But let's remember the T2 class, shall we? Near production vehicles. The real heroes of this race. Khaled Al-Hamanzi is our winner. First place in the Saudi Championship. We came to this rally, we hope to win, and thank God we have done it. We've won the Rally Jeddah. And a top truck, top 10 finish for the Sugawara Hino. You'll see them in Dakar. Heroes, every one of them. Rally Jeddah has been amazing. We can't wait to do it all again in 2024.
الثاني بفئة التي 1 بروتوتايب او السيارات تي 1